passing the ball nicely to get onto the attack here. He's cut it out, and he's cut out the danger. No mistake about that. See what he tried to do.
Yeah, unlucky some.
The attack carrying a bit of weight here, and the defenders needing some reinforcements. Here's Defoe. Scott Parker. Anticipation leading to the interception there. Good ball. Oh, what a vital stop. Clever, but not quite clever enough. Pablo Alvarez. Quiroga. Quick ball. Well, they're in a good position here. That could stop the attack. The attack was thwarted and the opposition are now on the ball. Now they're passing the ball well. Oh, unlucky. Unlucky, that's not what he was trying to do. It's gone out of play. Bale. Well executed. He's read that well to intervene. Oh, and they're on the cap. They like to play on the break here, but it just hasn't worked for them this time. Lennon. Quiroga. Here's the chance. And you'll see again here what wonderful work it was by Lloris in this one-on-one situation. And that's clearly a corner. Looked uncertain, but somehow he's got it away. It's a hefty clearance, but it's only going to allow the opposition to attack them again. It's good wide playing surface here, and they're using the full width of it. It's Lennon. Here's Defoe. Might need more back here to curb this piece of attacking play. Got to get more men behind the ball, I think. Absolutely no trouble for the goalkeeper here. That's a good way to nick the ball back. Quick thinking. Keeps it going well. Needs a bit of assistance here, and it's coming on the right. Oh, that's the end of the attack. Very abruptly. That is a free kick. And bravely in for the header. And he's kept out the shot. And here's a shot now. Excellent block. Very committed, the keeper, but he got it spot on.
Oh, one-on-one, he's helped out his defenders there, no end.
Good thrust by the player on the ball. Great opportunity. Chance. Takes the shot off. Oh, fantastic goal. This really is a team game, and that shows the value of team play. Several players involved, great passing, great movement on and off the ball, and a super goal.
Yeah, it was, the way he shifted the ball on. It was great team play, Martin, you're right.
So after the goal, we've opened the scoring here, 1-0. Scott Parker. Stop the attack, that. To Font. Bale. Sandro. Lunging in, slide tackle. And that's good attacking play. positive thinking from the players. Good pass. Good dribbling skills. Pass one. And here's the shot. Tottenham have scored. Didn't think he had time for another touch of the ball. He just hit it.
Yeah, and I tell you what, it takes an awful lot of confidence to take on that shot. So many would take a touch and then the chance is gone.
Well, we're back at level pegging again at 1-1. And for an interception, that's quite a vital one. Slides in. Needs some defensive discipline at the moment. Bale. Well, Spurs were the first British club to win a UEFA club competition, the old Cup Winners' Cup. They've won the UEFA Cup. And they started to show a couple of years ago that they could be a force in the Champions League. Of course, they've never won the senior European club competition. They've hardly ever played in it.
No, I mean, that was a great debut campaign that they enjoyed, wasn't it? And gave us some fantastic thrills. Gareth Bale taking it to Milan apart, and they'll hope they can enjoy a few more nights like that.
And that deflection sends the ball into touch. That'll be a corner. Hugo Lloris able to protect his goal without too much trouble. As for Tottenham, they will go into this game as overwhelming favourites.
Yeah, and when you look at the attacking talent that they've got, the pace in the side, they really should be wiping the floor with this team.
Opening the play out by going into a wider position. I do think this team are clever when they do attack, just like this. They're playing what, and he strikes for a goal! And that's a goal for Tottenham! The next attack, and it produced the next goal. Well, Tottenham into a promising position here, and their fans would have come here backing them to win this game. Pablo Alvarez. He loved that, and the opposition didn't. Backheel, brilliantly done. They want to defend in numbers here, the defenders. And the pass not completed, really. Bale. Jermaine Defoe. Well, this is one of the best finishers in the game. Here's Defoe. Bale. Now the defender's been called into question, really, by this attacking build-up. Misdirected by Asu Akoto. Well, they've got the throw, and possession again. That's a good pass. He's got space. Tottenham, chance for them. Good ball. Now he can cross it. He's going to cross it. Well, he's only picked out an opponent with that cross. And there's the slide challenge. Tonetto. Well, he'll be hoping to celebrate this, his birthday, with the right kind of result. Parker. Quiroga. Well, they've got the ball back, a quick break. He's had a go. Well, the final shot off target, it was a great break.
Isn't it just the way that they move the ball forward with such speed, penetration, just couldn't apply the...
Defender really not challenged by the cross in the end. Now Lennon. Here's Defoe. Tonetto. They're passing it well here. Well, here's a chance from the wide position to get it in. Here comes the cross. Oh, that's a bit selfish to try and score from there, and he was nowhere near scoring.
Well,
Asuekoto. Here's Parker. Well, the attack looked really dangerous, but the interception was perfect for his team. Over to Lennon. Defenders need to be on their toes now. Just found space in the wide areas to get a cross in. Dealt with by the defender, the cross. Pablo Alvarez. Well played, that's clever use of the ball, just getting it off the ground. That's really well done. Good defending. Sandro. Here's Defoe. It's a run by Defoe to help him out. That's got the crowd on their feet.
Oh, and it should do as well. Wonderful piece of trickery.
Slid in. Quick ball. So they can regroup now at a goal kick. And that will run harmlessly out. They'll be pleased to see that out, the defending team. Bale. Good ball. And he's returned it back to him very quickly. Hector Font. Surely! Now here is a chance for them. That's good defending, because it was a dangerous breakaway, and they've won the ball back well, and they're pretty happy about that, and they should be. The pass was a good idea, just the execution that was wrong. Bale. They've got the midfield players back behind the ball as well. And he drives for goal. Brilliant work from Lloris. Well, they've got the corner now to try and get themselves level. Defender on his toes. And it will be their throw. Opportunity to cross it now. Oh, in goes the cross. That's a real tussle for the ball. Now the defender gets cross and makes the interception. And it was good for his team that he did. Now here's a chance for a counter-attack. Oh, and the counter-attack has turned into a bit of a limp attempt to get forward. They've lost the ball. Pablo Alvarez. And the shot's on. Still in play here. He needed to be quick there. Urgent work from him, and he's kept them out really on his own. Here's Defoe. Sandro. Well executed. He's looking for the cross. He's got support to his right. That's a vital stop. Quiroga. Into the attacking third. Fantastic try. And yes, a goal. And they're level. Well, that's terrific play for the goal.
They've got too many players with vision out there for the opposition. It's a coach's goal, but you have to be in the position to take them, didn't you? And his instinct took him there.
Well, 4 goals equally shared at 2-2. It's Jermaine Defoe. defenders on full alert here. Keeps it going well. Defender caught out now. Oh, he's going to shoot now. And it's a goal here. There's nothing like one goal to give you the confidence for another, and that's just what's happened here. Well, that goal has put Tottenham Hotspur into the lead. Pablo Alvarez. Goal kick to come. Asuekoto. Bale. He's found his teammate now. How did he do that?
He's got wonderful vision, hasn't he?
Good pass. Needs some defensive discipline at the moment. Great chance. Oh, well, that's the old 1-2. So quick, one after the other. That is another goal for him. He has scored with every shot he's put on target today.
Yeah, these kind of matches don't come around too often, but he's having a field day out there.
No complaints in the goals department. 4-2. Tornetto. Stopping the pass getting through with good piece of anticipation. Here's the shot. Great strike. Well, not this time. He can't add to the goal he's scored already, Alan.
No, I mean, having already scored, you'd maybe fancy him in that position. His confidence is at a good level.
Well, as we suspected, Alan, look at the shot breakdown. The team that is winning has had fewer shots.
Yeah, I mean, they've been certainly more economical, more ruthless when they've had the chances, but it's the one to try, and has it been the case for the losing team?
Here's Defoe. Got this single-minded approach all good strikers have to have. Goes in with a slide tackle. Excellent reading of the game by the defender. Could have been dangerous then. Read the intentions of the opposition there to make that interception. They've linked up well. And in it goes. Thought they might have been in then, but the defenders had other ideas. Kyle Walker. Scott Parker. Good interplay. And they're keeping possession as well. Possession changes feet. Contesting possession. Whipped out wide. Good ball to stretch the opposition. And the pass cut out at a truly vital time. Bale. Throw for Tottenham. Defender has to be quick. Quiroga. You see what he was trying to do, but didn't get the range into his pass properly. Sandro slides in. Scott Parker. Good ball. Well, the other players have just lost it there, and now the opposition can counter-attack themselves. The advantage rule played for Spurs. That's good interplay. He's cut it out. And here's the shot. The service was superb. The shot wasn't.
Yeah, there you go. On a plate, but just couldn't take advantage.
Good wide playing surface here, and they're using the full width of it. Keeps it going. And he takes the shot. Well, he's tried to really give it everything, and in the end he gave it very little.
Probably did try to put too much into it from that distance. He didn't need to.
Good wide position to get the ball in the box. Really good stop at a vital time. Held off the defender with some good touches here. That's a slide tackle. Well, you can't fault the ambition, but you can fault the contact, really. Great ball, just stopped, and the shot's on. We've got to give credit, I think, Alan, to the defenders here, because they actually made it harder for him than it initially looked.
Yeah, there was some over my dead body stuff there. It was great defending.
Well, he tried to find his man, but he's only put the ball into touch. Bale. Lunging in, slide tackle. He loved that, and the opposition didn't. Back heel, brilliantly done. Lennon. Good ball. And that's the opposition getting back on the ball after a promising attacking situation. And the pass not completed, really. Pablo Alvarez. And the player working hard to stay in possession. What a chance here, and he lets fly here. On the volley, very good defending, reading the danger and blocking it away. Tonetto. Crosses on, and he's kept out the shot. It's still in play, though. Referee has signalled half-time. Impressive first half, in truth. So it is time now for the start of the second half. Hector Font. Needs to be very nippy. Parker. Scott Parker. It's Lennon. Oh, great interception. That has stopped the attack. Hector Font. William Gallas with the challenge. It's gone out to the wingman. Tottenham given the throw. Aaron Lennon. Scott Parker. Bale. Gareth Bale darting forward to get a pass possible. Now the defender gets crossed and makes the interception, and it was good for his team that he did. Tonetta. And it's played to Jermaine Defoe. Tonetta. They've got it away from the danger. That's a good pass. He's got it back again. First time cross. Reached by the goalkeeper, full stretch, good save, over the bar. Now that will be a corner. The opponents have got the ball. Here's Defoe. He's put him in here. He's had a good swing at that one, in front, and still on the front foot. Tonetta. Clever change of direction there. Nicely done between the two of them. Into the middle. Now that's catching practice for the goalkeeper. Bale. That's cut out. Pablo Alvarez. He's beaten his man. He's backed up on the left-hand side. He's put it in very... Goalkeeper might be needed again. Very dramatic work from the goalkeeper, and he's got the ball now. This player's got an inherent sense of balance, and you saw it then, to keep going. Hector Font. And the attacking player still going forward, and he's got some help on the right-hand side. Still on the attack with the throw. Into the danger area with the cross. Well, the danger was considerable, but it's over now. Sandro. Didn't mean to do it, but he's lost possession. Here's Parker. Now Lennon. Clever play.
Oh, subtle little bit of skill.
Brilliant pass there. That could stop the attack. Pablo Alvarez. They're passing it well here. Well, here comes the support. He's really whipped it into the middle. Well, there wasn't the difficulties that the cross seemed to cause in the end, and away come the defensive team. And there's a teammate free in the middle here, and that will be a goal kick. Here's Defoe. Great player always, but really at the top of his game today.
He is almost those opponents intimidated by his presence down there.
Hector Font. Over to Lennon. Well, there might be a break now for them. Can he knock the ball upfield? Tottenham Hotspur have won the ball back well. Quick ball. Well, the attack looked really dangerous, but the interception was perfect for his team. They've linked up well. It's good attacking play, but he's helped by the defence. Full is it? Teed up beautifully for the first-time shot, but he's missed it.
Well, it was begging to be hit, wasn't it? The quality of the pass, the weight of it, perfect.
Pablo Alvarez. Quiroga. Oh, and they're on the counter-attack here. And the defender saw the pass and dealt with it with a good interception. Hector Font. Great chance. Still in play here. No doubt that the defender wasn't in control there, but he has managed to make a bit of a panicky clearance. Good pass. And they've cut it out. Hector Font. Tonetta. Good ball. And there's some reinforcements arriving to help him. Corner given. Got in the way well, the defender. Teammate free in the centre. Problems for the... And it's a heading chance now. Goal! Fantastic header! They have been comeback kings in the past. Still a bit to do, though, this time.
Well, they have. I mean, the opposition leading really should shut up shop, but you can never discount this team. If you've got a header of the ball like this in your side, it's a great option. You can swing the pass in and you always know he's going to compete. And what a finish that was.
It's a difficult day for defenders, but the attacking play has been admirable. You can see what he was trying to do. Quiroga. Here's Defoe. It's a good move for the attacking team, this. Well, they could have done it, but it hasn't worked out that way. Manager thinking for the away side, time for a change. And he goes for goal, and that's Hugo Lloris at his best. Now that's the way he's been playing in this game, top defending. Good reading of the play, anticipating the pass. That's really well done. Good defending. Needs to be very nippy. Slid in there. Possession changes feet. Wonderful interception. Lennon. Well, there was a great chance to add to their lead.
Well, you just wonder whether they're taking it easy, and you wonder whether they'll live to rue that mistake. Could the opposition come back at them now?
Substitution coming up as they look to make sure they hold their lead till the final whistle. Tonetta. Keeping the attack going, and there's good support for him. Strong fist by the goalkeeper. No sooner got it than lost it again. It's Lennon. Sandro. Defenders need to be on their toes now. No, the opposition come away with the ball. That's ended that attack. Tonetta. Clever, but not quite clever enough. Well, what we've got is a game, I would say, Alan, of really high quality. Do you see this at the sort of level you played at the very top?
I think so, yeah. I mean, we are seeing a match here in the top flight, and you would expect to see quality, but we've been given an extra 10%, 20% here. It's been...
And bravely in for the header. Still danger after the save. And the pass cut out at a truly vital time. Good ball. Brilliant opening. Well, he has a go, and he's brave there to take the ball from the feet of the attacker.
Yeah, I think the attacker just showed a little bit too much of the ball to the keeper, gave him encouragement.
Into the attacking third. Here he is with a chance. And here's the shot. And it's in. It's past the goalkeeper. They are level. If you thought that the favoured team scoring would kill them off, you'd be wrong. They've roared again.
Yeah, and it's great to see, isn't it, a team like this stick together and really get the very best out of the players.
4-4 here. Great interception. Tonetta. Going to be a throw right by the corner flag. He's taken the ball out of play. There was no challenge on him. Now Lennon. Parker. Bale. Tonetta. Didn't quite come off.
No, good idea though.
Tottenham Hotspur in possession here. The pass doesn't get through because the defender actually recognised the direction it was coming in quickly. Keeps it going well. Lennon! Tonetta. Now the defender's been called into question really by this attacking build-up. Great strike! Well, that is another corner. And that's offside. Referee has stopped the play as soon as the flag went up. Change of possession here. Well executed. Well, that's keeping the defenders on their toes here. They've got to try and stop this attack. Oh, in goes the cross. Well, that's well wide from that angle, and his teammates aren't happy.
No, and you don't blame them, do you? What on earth was he thinking there?
Pablo Alvarez. They're passing it well here. He's got a chance to cross. He's going to cross it. On the volley. He hasn't dealt with the danger totally. That's a great interception. Came in with a challenge. What a chance here. And here's the shot. Well, he's missed it, Alan.
Yeah, I mean, it was a good opportunity, but I think he's rushed it, he snatched at it, Martin.
And safely behind for a goal kick. Adebayor. Hector Font. And that's good attacking play. Positive thinking from the players. And the shot's up! It's a goal and they're in front. For the underdogs, a joyous moment.
It's a brilliant moment. What they've got to do is calm down now and settle and make sure they don't give away anything silly.
Another kick-off here. With so many goals going in, both sides on full throttle. Here's Walker. Over to Lennon. That's a good pass. Tonetta. Here's some support down the middle for him. No, not this time. And the opposition come away with the ball. Benoit Assou Ekota. Bale. Hector Font. Some players limbering up for the away team. Substitution in the offing. And the defender has done very well here. Got his foot in. Quick ball. He's put him in here. What a pity for the attacking team. Good pass. He went in well, but he didn't get the ball cleanly. Good ball. Great opportunity. Here's the shot. Oh, close. He's hit the post. Now, this is interesting, whether the manager is just going to switch things around a little bit. That passing is top class. Well, he's caught him out. That defender hasn't done very well this time.
No, I just think he got caught ball watching.
Looked uncertain, but somehow he's got it away. On to Adebayor. Still one down. And they're chasing the game with 5 minutes to go. And the offside is given. "84 minutes gone, 6 minutes to go." And the referee's quite sure it's a goal kick. Tonetta. Quiroga. Well, they're in a good position here. Good attacking play from the forward here. He's beaten the defender. Here's the cross. Well, they defended well. It was good-looking attacking play too. And once more, he's into the rescue. Under challenge. That's good control. Bale. Something could be on here. He could cross it from here. Good ball. Oh, here's the opening. He tried to chip the keeper, and it's the goalkeeper who comes out on top. Fine save.
Well, that's why you try to get the very best between the sticks, and this boy is right up there.
Corners him. He's gone for goal. In a game of few chances, that really was an opportunity.
Yeah, and what a glaring opportunity as well. It was a horrendous miss.
Sliding challenge. Teammate free in the centre, and that's straightforward for the goalkeeper. That's a great ball, and the defender's got to make the challenge now. Can he make it in time? Now it's about the right decision. He's got a couple of areas to explore here. Oh, and the defenders just managed to deal with that. Oh, that stopped the attack. Keeps it going well. Sandro. Now a sliding tackle. Just 1 minute of added time to come. Well executed. What an opportunity. He's in here. And the shot's off. Well, he saved it, and he's kept it as well. And the goalkeeper telling his teammates to get forward. Wonderful interception. Here's Parker. Well, that could have been a match-winning pass. It might be a match-saving interception. It's a good-looking attack, this one. It might be a final attack as they look for this equaliser. Here he is with a chance. That is a dangerous move, sliding in the ball in the box like that. Goes for goal! The game has run its course here, and there's the final whistle. The manager will be very proud of this result and the way they achieved it, with the blend of decent defending but really high-quality attacking.
Yeah, I mean, it was swashbuckling at times, wasn't it, the way they poured forward, and the opposition just couldn't handle them.
That was an absolutely fantastic spectacle from Alan Smith and myself, Martin Tyler. Until the next time, goodbye.